Hello and welcome to a new lesson where I will guide you through setting up your Docker environment. In this lesson, we will focus on installing Docker on Windows operating systems and covering basic configurations to get you started. Let's dive in. First, head to the Docker Hub website and download Docker Desktop for Windows. To do that, you will go to the docs.docker.com/install/windows-install and you will find this button. Click on it to download the Docker Desktop for Windows. From the Windows install documentation, you can check the system requirements to ensure that your system will be able to have Docker installed on it. Once the download is complete, double-click the installer file to begin the installation process. You will be prompted with a few options during the setup. I recommend leaving the default settings, include use Hyper-V Windows features for the best compatibility and performance. And as you know, in Windows, it's a matter of next to finish the installation process. I already installed Docker Desktop on my machine, so I will open it here, and I want to show you how to enable Docker Desktop with WSL. So from the settings here, go to General and ensure that you mark the use the WSL2 based engine. By enabling this feature, you will ensure that you can use Docker from your Windows subsystem Linux. So let's verify that. So I will open my WSL terminal, and from here I will type Docker version, and as you can see, the version installed is 25.03. To verify the installation, execute docker run hello-world and press enter. And as you can see from the output, we have a message hello from Docker and some instructions from the hello world container. Let's bring back our Docker desktop and let's click cancel here. And as you see, you can see the container you just executed listed in the containers list. So here is our hello world container with the name Loving Banash. And this is a random name generated by Docker. And by that I can say that you have successfully set up Docker on your Windows system. You are now ready to explore the vast possibilities with Docker containers. In our next lesson, we will cover setting up Docker on Ubuntu Linux. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lesson.